Mosaic Family Services provides a safe haven for survivors of human rights abuses, including refugees and those fleeing human trafficking and domestic violence.
But things didn't turn out the way I planned because I fell a victim of domestic violence.
We have a beautiful shelter for battered women, and it has the capacity of 46 beds that we house both women and children, not only just a survivor of domestic violence, but also human trafficking.
When a client initially comes to the shelter, I introduce myself and I bring them into my office because it's a little warm, it's quiet. Depending on how they feel at that time, I want them to know that they're safe.
Me sentía muy sola, muy perdida, muy desorientada. Después del incidente, es muy difícil volver a adaptarse, volver a caminar sin miedo. Y Mosaic me ha ayudado con la consejería, me han ayudado mucho, porque me siento más segura, me siento más protegida.
Before I contacted Mosaic Family Services, I was this woman who was going through so much abuse. I lost my self-esteem, I lost myself.
Once a client contacts Mosaic, their advocate assesses their needs, personalizes their services, and then walks them through every step.
At Mosaic House, we were not left just to be lying idle and things like that. There was so much going on. It was a place where we had everything going on in the house. We had the counselors, they would come in and counsel with us. They would apply, the case managers, they would apply for us things like Medicaid, like food stamps.
I see a big change in the children from the time that they come into the shelter. When they first come into the shelter, it's like they're scared, they're depressed, they don't know what's really going on because a lot of times mom hasn't really had an opportunity to explain to them the situation that they're in. So they're scared, they're afraid. But once they meet me, I have this big smile on my face. I greet them all with big smiles and try to make them feel like, hey, this is your home. Hey, you can be yourself around me. You can be yourself around staff while you're here.
I just felt like there was hope ahead of me.
Mosaic provides wraparound services in one facility.
Approximately 90% of our clients continue to access services from our main office after they exit the shelter, and those services include legal services, counseling services, case management services.
The number one factor enabling a woman to leave an abusive relationship or escape modern-day slavery is knowing they have access to legal representation.
The legal program provides free family law and immigration law services to survivors of domestic violence and human trafficking. So we provide consultations to clients as they are referred to the agency. We also represent clients during divorce, custody, child support, and protective order hearings. And we assist clients in preparing applications for immigration benefits that are submitted to immigration for review.
Mosaic works with clients daily to help navigate social and medical services, all in their native language, since our client advocates speak over 30 different languages.
Mosaic is different than any other agency because of its staff. Staff is like one big family with a big heart for humanity. Mosaic is also the only one where refugees and immigrants can go when it's come to family violence, when it's come to human trafficking, or when it's come to all this wonderful staff who is from over 20 countries and who are, most of them, former refugees themselves.
Ultimately, Mosaic is a place that supports, educates, and empowers survivors.